Thank you so much, Ate Sa.
Lang, parang love life ko lang. Sobrang love daw, guys. Sobrang love.
Saan? Sa TikTok?
Sobrang love. Love daw.
Hello TikTok, hello Instagram. We're live on 2 different platforms. Oh my gosh.
What's up, Butio?
What's
Kamusta
this
kayo, guys?
there?
Sabi ni Ate Irish, FB FB din lang daw siya.
Questions and messages from bullets. Let's do one each.
Hi, meron tayong questions and
Okay.
habang kumakain. Let's go. Wait, ayusin mo tayo yung lag. Lag pa rin ba? Ay, okay na lang.
From Natalie George, 2G22. Hi girls, I just want to say that I love you so much. Thank you for staying despite what happened last year. You chose to stay and continue your dreams. Thanks so much for keep on inspiring us, making us happy every time. Thank you. I also want to say that I'm happy that I knew you in my life. Congratulations to all your accomplishments. And that's not it. Marami pa ang darating ng blessings sa inyo.
Thank
Lose
you so
hurt all the
much.
time will come. And you will have the spotlight that you guys deserve. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Hanggang dulo, G22. Wala man ako sa umpisa ng career nyo. Pangako, nandito ako hanggang dulo.
Wow, I love you.
Natalie.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Natalie.
Natalie.
George.
We love you. That was so sweet. And you are one of our inspirations. The bullets, 100% on the top of that list. Always inspiring us to be better, to do more, and to keep pushing.
Yes. Ito naman, next one
Ay, wala.
is from G1PZ Love 5.
Oh, nakikita ko yun siya.
On Facebook.
2G22, my power trio. Keep striving and reaching for your dreams. You are all talented. You have what it takes and you deserve to be called female alphas.
Thank you po.
I may not be so active physically lately, but I am looking forward to meeting you again, girls. Kami din po. The first time I saw you ladies was way back in 2022 at the first P-PopCon event where I got my very first official G22 shirt, which I proudly wore during WhatsApp's playlist 24. Patayong G22, yours truly, Bulletin. First of all, maraming salamat po sa support niyo sa amin sa first stage namin hanggang sa latest, biggest stage namin. Maraming salamat po kasi andyan kayo para supportan kami. Kahit na sinasabi niyo po hindi kayo nakakapunta masyado physically, okay lang po kasi sobrang nararamdaman po namin yung support ng bawat isa sa inyo. Lalo ka na. Kaya, maraming salamat. Love you.
Love you. Love you. I love you.
Ay, ito question.
May question?
Question na to. Same, from the same person. It's Love 5. To my power trio, are you considering having a G22 concert before the end of this year? If not, when do you plan to have one? Well, we want to have a concert, pero mas inuuna po muna namin gawin yung music namin bago kami mag-concert. But for sure, very, very soon yung songs. And nagluluto kami ngayon, kaya grind kami ng grind. Ito na yung niluto. Joke lang. Pero for sure, guys, very soon na rin yung concert once na soon yan. Pero hindi siya imposible mangyari. Magkakaroon talaga ng G22 concert. Di lang siguro this year, baka next year, hindi natin sure. Pero sure na magkaka-concert ng G22.
And by the time, pagdating ng panahon na yan, it will be the best of the best for you na handa talaga namin, mga kanta, na bago para sa'yo, bagong performance, mga stage, mga damit. We're gonna be very involved and we want the best for you guys, especially mga tao na like sad vibe with us. So, pagdating ng panahon na yan, it's gonna be worth it.
Pagdating ng panahon.
Okay.
HDNIAYH.
Do you have a collaboration again with SB19?
We can't say.
No comments.
No comment.
No comments.
No comment. Bunot ka na, sis. Bunot ka na, sis.
Baka kung ano pa masabi natin,
Oo nga.
sis.
Bunot ka na, sis.
From,
Buy one, take one. Hasta po.
ito ba yung kanina?
Yeah. I put it here with me. I put it in this one. So if it's in the Hi everyone on the live.
Whose
Ito.
fandom is called Bullet? G22.
Ito, question from Camille Theo Tayo Abara. What are the things that make you happy?
What are the things that make you happy? Ako. Just. No, I mean,
Living
Akala ko,
ano ba yan?
all,
Ay, may mic ako.
what makes me happy is kung genuinely happy yung nasa paligid ko. And also, siguro, hindi, yung happiness nanggagaling din siya sa mga tao sa paligid ko and sa kung nagagawa ko ba yung mga gusto kong gawin in life. So, wala.
Her. That's what makes her happy. When the people around her are happy.
Kasi paano ko magiging happy kung yung mga people around me? Happy, diba?
Kasi, ayaw na lang tulog
Ang
ako.
wang.
Galing kay Villarreal George.
From you.
Madalas natatanong ito sa mga international artists kapag napupunta dito sa Pilipinas. If bibigyan kayo ng pagkakataon na mabago ang history at kantahin ang isang OPM song bilang inyong original release, ano ito at bakit? Oh, if I could turn back time and own a song from the past, what would it be? I think With a Smile by Eraserheads. Kasi that song gives so much comfort and with a simple smile na nakakabago kasi siya eh, ng mood, nakakabago siya nakaka-bright siya ng hindi lang sa sayo but sa other people as well. So if I could turn back time and G22 would release a song from the past, it would be With a Smile by Eraserheads. Her.
That's beautiful.
Nice.
Ganda.
Anyway guys, segue. See you po tayo
Ay,
sa
oo.
Agusan.
Magkita-kita po tayo sa Agusan din.
Sa my turn?
So, darating yan
Yes.
September 29. Gaganapin yan sa kanila. Billet.
It's a big event at marami kaming pakulo.
Tapos, wag nyo rin kalimutan, kami ay mag-perform din po sa Billboard PH. Sa Mawa Arena yan gaganapin. Kasama namin ang ibang big artist at maraming artist.
Yes. And may pupuntahan kami next week. Kaya,
I'll do like 3 questions for everyone.
ay!
A lot of the questions are about
Lilipat na naman
tours.
namin.
Like what AJ said about the concert, we would love to do tours. It's also one of our dreams. But your girls need to get some songs.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
At saka,
Making songs, we're doing. Like,
doing things at the right time is really important. The next few months might not be the right time to do it, but there will be a right time to do it. And it's not impossible.
Okay, this is a good one. From X, mad blood __. Hashtag AshG22. What are your wishes for each other?
Ito mo.
Ano nga ako muna, tinitingnan ikaw.
Come on.
You mean I contact him first? Buta-buta po.
Sige ako na lang muna.
Dal-dalish.
I wish for the girls to reach their goals in life. And also, I wish na mas marami pang tao yung maka-appreciate at makakita ng talent ng dalawang kasama kong to. Kasi ever since bata sila. Anong tawag doon? Quality? Mga child prodigy itong mga kasama. Kaya deserve na nilang ma-recognize yung talent nila. I wish them the recognition and I wish them na hindi sila mapagod sa lahat ng ginagawa ko life. I wish them happiness.
Happiness?
Sabi ni Mariel, international ganap. Yeah. Wish mo para sa atin?
Okay. I wish you all good health.
Memories, bring back memories, bring
I
back
know.
you.
And then that's iconic line of mine.
Yeah,
And
very iconic.
no, but seriously, I wish you guys good health, like for all of your life, unless it's not your time life. Oh my god, I'm just so energetic from the lost. And I wish you guys to make your dreams come true now, even outside of career, like personal lives and personal goals, like with and without you. And then yung mga pangarap nyo din, I hope that seryoso.
Seryoso
Ay,
ako
seryoso. Ayun. And stay, like, no matter how far we get, I hope we always remember, like, where we started, our tree days, all the little things that happened in between, like, all the things like living
All the
together.
little things and big things.
Yeah, so like, wherever that will take us, we still have those parts of each other. And so take care. Bye.
Segue.
Thanks.
Hi, Leo.
Hi, see.
Hi, Leo!
Leo! Where? TikTok or Instagram?
TikTok.
Hi, Leo!
Okay.
Ako? Wish ko lang naman din talaga,
Wish and then.
siguro for everyone, peace of mind. In a world, in our, sa career na tinatahak natin, sobrang hirap magkaroon ng peace of mind. Kasi it's very chaotic, very out
I
there.
don't want a piece of mind, like the whole mind.
You want a piece of me? Fight tayo, fight. Oh, so, ayun lang, kasi I hope we find that peace of mind na kahit hindi man araw-araw, hindi man bawat segundo. Salamat nakikinig sila. Oo.
Ay, sorry.
Oo, nag-message ako eh. Salamat ka kasi
Sabi mo, sabi mo,
Oo nga
sa
eh.
bawat segundo, o tuloy.
Ay, ano ba?
Sa bawat segundo.
Wait lang. Lumok ko lang.
O, di ba? Nag-message siya, kumakain din siya ng lunok. Kumakain din ng lunok.
I-email niyo. Ayun. Makahanap ng peace of mind, hindi man sa work yun, but sa personal lives. And makahanap ng hobby na makakatulong na maalis yung stress na binibigay ng work natin. Kasi nakaka-stress. Charot. Ewan.
The stress is stressing.
And syempre, mga paghihirap natin na hindi man namin napapakita, hindi man namin na-introduce, pero soon pa nagkaroon tayo ng documentary. Malay mo. Hindi man namin siya napapakita, pero for sure lahat ng mga paghihirap namin may kapalit na ginhawa. So, Kapit lang. Ganito.
Peace be with you daw, EJ. Sabi yun yun.
Peace be with you. Peace be with you as well. Wait.
Okay.
Hindi naman eh.
Wala.
Isa lang yung fabulous.
Lagi ko na-tweet but I'm so proud of you girls. Maraming manifestations nyo na natupad this year. We're praying na mas marami pang ma-achieve sa mga susunod na taon. Dito lang kami bullets habang buhay na sila. Thank you, Raya. I love
Thank you,
I
Ryan.
love you.
Wala ko na
Raya.
sa iyo,
Tweets. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And I appreciate your support. Girl,
So much.
where were you last event? I'm just like, cause when she was trying to book ticket, like she went out of the site when she came back, it was sold out. But next
Dami ko
time,
doon hindi nakapunta ng lechon party.
we miss you.
Hindi nakapunta. Hindi nakaabot dun sa form.
Hindi nakaabot.
Pwede daw kayo siya.
Thank you.
No.
Okay. Wants to read.
Ikaw, AJ.
Nanonood si... Okay. From Binibining Callisto. My main P-pop girl group, the Alphas with a heart. I'm a bullet since debut. Hui! I've been listening to your songs and bragging your talents in and out social media. Kahit sa mga craft ko, ginagamit ko songs nyo. Deserve nyo lahat ng natatamon nyo ngayon at sana magpatuloy lang kayo, Jazzle, Kaya, and AJ. Darating ang tamang oras na kayo naman ang titingalain ng buong mundo. Never mind others' targets, aim for your own. Never mind others' targets, aim for your own. And give your best shot because I'm sure you'll never run out of bullets. Mahal ko kayo. Oh! Alam nyo, kahit isa lang ang bullet, gagana pa rin ang baril. Kaya...
At powerful ba?
Yes. Malakas pa din ang putok.
Parang ayaw ko ng malakas sa putok. Parang ayaw ko. Ang malakas sa putok.
Ang
Kami na kasi malakas sa putok.
Alam mo yung putok?
Is it like bad?
B.O.
Oh, eh?
Oh, it's like that. But in our Filipino slang, it's like bagulor.
May
Amoy putok pa kasi
Ganyan na.
sumasabog yung amoy.
Sumasama.
Tapos pag napupunta sa'yo, nananapak yun.
Ah, I've heard that saying. Ayan.
Choose your own. Go.
From FB, Stephanie Kyle Angeles. Was this always a dream to be a P-pop? Was this always a dream to be a P-pop idol, or did you want to be something else?
I wanna be an alien.
Hindi exactly P-pop idol, pero hindi rin siya exactly yung main dream ko before. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na gusto ko mag-perform. Mag-stage in front of crowd. I love crowd, I love stage, performing. Kahit na minsan kabado, pero yun nga yung nagpapasaya eh. Yung kaba.
Parang, nakakabuhay.
Nakakabuhay siya. Nakakabuhay yung mag-perform sa stage. Kaya, it was actually somewhat parang my dream na rin. Okay.
Yeah.
Ask G22 eh. G22 pa. Oo nga no.
AJ.
Oo nga naman.
Dami. Dami.
Ang dami.
Dami. Ask G22 at Pop Art Classical from X. What genres are you coming up in the next batch of songs? Always love your variety. Babalik ba kayo sa R&B? The MV is so classy and sublime, by the way. Thank you so much. Well, kilala niyo naman ang G22, very experimental at nag-explore talaga kami sa mga genres ng mga kanta namin. And syempre, sa mga next batch of our songs, hindi mawawala syempre yung fierceness, yung kung saan kami nakilala ang G22. And also, may isang artist, actually madaming artist, na nagsulat ng kanta para sa amin. For sure, kilala niyo to. Abangan niyo na lang siya. Isa sa mga malalaking artist ngayon na
Talagang sumasabog.
sumasabog at pinapakinggan ng nakakarami. So, excited kami sa kantang ibibigay niya sa amin. Shoutout po sa'yo. So, abangan niyo yan. Spoiler.
Basta mo na comments.
Basa tayo comments.
Don't take us shoes.
No, it's not pre-recorded, Cassie.
It's not
How are you guys? Natalie.
Hi, Ate Pimpi.
You read
Kitsan ko.
Hello po sa
your
pinsan.
tweet.
Have you eaten your pizza? Jasmine, have you eaten pizza?
Yeah.
Eat more because it's good.
Yes, thank you, Ate Sam.
Is there a chance? Would there be chance magka-mall show po kayo? Definitely!
Yes.
Actually, meron kami sa Acer.
We love more.
Nag-mall show tayo sa Acer for back to school. And maraming nakahanda si Acer for us. So, thank you Ninang Acer. We love you so much.
Love you so much.
Yung Dare G22 namin, soon yan guys.
Wait nyo lang.
Hindi dito yan. Hindi dito yan. Sabi ni Let's, hello, see you soon sa Billboard. Wow! See you guys. Uy, napapanood ko yung idol ko dun, si Elis Morena.
Saan?
Sa Billboard. Sana magkakulab kami with Ate Elis Morena. I love
My Lord is also there.
Si Zay.
Yeah.
Nandun din yung mga lodi ko eh.
Ako.
Kayong
Okay
dalawa.
lang guys. Ay, okay lang guys.
Guys, ako.
Oh guys, ikaw.
Nandun din yung mga lodi ko eh. Paano ba yan?
What's the most memorable thing you guys have done and will never forget?
Kanina.
Malalaman nyo kung ano ginawa namin kanina.
Ang saya nung...
In like 10 days. Right?
I love you too, SB19 edits.
Yes! Malapit na yan 2 weeks. 14 days lang yung 10 days.
Cover daw tayo ng sabi.
Around 10 to 14 days.
Sige.
Cover. Please, please, please. Don't prove I'm wrong.
Bias ka daw ng bahay niya.
Sino?
Grabe naman.
Sabi ni Berry, Mom Kulit. Hi, hello, beautiful
Another-
Jazz. Bias ka ng bahay niya.
Thank you, Jaren.
Another memorable thing we did is, I don't know if you guys remember, but we did this like,
May kamay.
someone utus us to like put our hands up for as long as we can. And we were putting our hands up for like, it was almost 20 minutes.
Ay, oo. Tapos pag bumaba, ibig sabihin hindi,
Yeah.
hindi talaga importante yung group sa'yo.
Yeah, and so we all were trying our best to keep our hands up even though sobrang bigat na kasi 20 minutes na
Yeah.
taas. And then we found a solution, put it on each other's shoulders. And so
and
like,
Nagganyan lang eh.
Sorry.
sinapak. So like, it like kind of created a new perspective na parang you just need each other and being by yourself, it gets heavy, you know, all this baggage, all this
Oo yun.
weight. But then when you have each other, it becomes bearable. You carry each other's weight.
Grabe yung as in, nung time na yun, para tayo kung ginigil ng ano. Ano yung
Guilt trip.
Oh, ng ano. Tapos
Yeah.
sabi niya na parang, Sige, pag binabayan yung let your group down.
Yeah.
Sabihin, hindi ganun ka-importante yung grupo sa inyo.
Or
Yung
sabihin sa you don't care about
na
that.
you don't care about them, you don't care about your homies. Yung mga ganun. So,
Nahulog po.
Kaya yun, naghanap kami ng paraan.
tapos yung ganun namin, sabi namin, yun pala yun.
But they told us not to move. So that's another thing. Diba?
Hindi sinabi ka na.
No, because I was like going like this. I'm like moving and like, don't move. Yeah.
Ay, baka iba yung naman.
Yeah. It wasn't clear. Then
Malinaw yung rules, ha? Kamay ko.
Kamsamida.
Nag-load na.
Kamsamida.
Kailan next official PC? Soon yan, guys. Alam niyo, sabi lang ako ng sabi ng soon, pero totoo talaga yung soon. Hindi man siya now, hindi man siya bukas, pero
Pero
soon yan.
Hi, Chad Kid. Thank
Hindi
you.
lang namin sinabi kung kailan soon.
Saan makabili ng merchandise nyo?
Sa loob.
Linggitin lang ko lang, boss.
I-ingit
Ay, dapat sa
Sabi talaga.
Linggitin ko lang, boss mo.
Ito yun.
Saan nga ang merch namin?
Dedesign ko.
May dinidesign na daw niya. Chef. Di kasi namin. How do you handle pressure and expectations? Tanong ni Moon. Ano? Handle it well.
Tanong ni Moon, paano mo hinahandle yung pagiging buwan?
Handle it with care.
Paano mo hinahandle yung malapit ka sa sun?
Mad Blood asks, what book can you recommend?
Book recommendation.
No.
Hindi, I mean,
Ano, I'm in a side question.
Book.
alam mo,
Ay, meron akong book.
Alam mo,
Oh.
na walang pictures ah.
Dito.
walang picture.
Na walang pictures dapat.
Abok pa rin.
Sige. Ikigay.
Okay, stop ka. Sige. Ano Bible? Anong
Bible.
Kasi Jesus Christ yung nasisip ko.
Uy.
Kasi, but, guys, uupuan ko na. Uupuan ko na gatot, hindi ako.
Uy. Yes, not in front of the food.
Anong book mo? Bookmark. Charot.
Bookmark.
Ano mo yung mga book pang mark?
Gusto niya yung book, anong book sa kanya, chicken?
Yung book, okay na.
Twilight.
Neither.
Hindi, mas gusto ko sa books yung yung Divergent. Ang ganda niya ba sa akin?
Ako, The Selection. Oh.
Ah, okay, sige.
The Selection series.
Percy Jackson.
Siguro,
Doon ko.
I really like one of my top favorite books is Bleeding Joe.
Sino?
Because it kind of is relevant sort of to us. Because they're in a music group.
Ay, iba yung kinikwento mo
Yeah,
kasi
yeah.
nakatulog ko sa Steplan.
Ay, oo.
I kwento 4 books. I kwento 4 books each that day. So I'm always like, when I get the chance, I like tell mostly Alfreya like the books I'm reading about, especially when I finish. And then AJ, I try to tell her, and she falls asleep.
Nagiging ano kasi siya.
Nagiging ano, bedtime story.
Ano tao, oo, yung gano'n. Kasi pampatulog ko kasi dati yun.
But it's like about like crime or like horror or thriller, and then she's sleeping.
Sabi ka, yung song mo pwede na thriller.
Yeah, and now yes, like,
Si AJ ka na.
hindi naman sa Legend of Art.
From ugat ni Josh Callen. Si Josh Callen, si Kuya Pablo. Okay. I'm a Bulilets and I'm so happy to be part of the Lechon party. I'm so happy din na ang gaan din kasama ng mga bullets sabi ko. Halos lahat ata ng kasalubong ko nag-iinitian kami. I think you guys played a great role for that. Thank you so much! Alam nyo, sobrang importante sa amin talaga na nagbubuo ng healthy relationship with our fans. So,
That's true.
masaya kami na ito yung experience mo as a Bulilet. And sana magpatuloy yung ganitong experience ng
mga bagong fans.
Sobrang saya yung leisure party kasi it was so intimate. Like, as in, nakaharap tayo.
Harap-harapan tayo.
And like, you know, we get to feed you guys and sing to you guys. And we love that close interaction. That's why we also want to do mall shows as well. School.
Totoo yun.
School
Yeah.
tours actually is really nice.
So when we get chance and we get invited to do those things, we love
Kasi,
to do those.
at least sa school tours, napupuntahan din namin yung mga students na hindi pinapayagan ng mga magulang nila.
And celebrating milestones like that, even maybe for other people, it's not a big milestone, but for us, it's such a
It
big
is.
milestone.
Yeah,
And
totoo
for the
yun.
bullets, they know how much, not only how we worked hard, but they worked hard every day promoting us and tweeting
Yeah.
and resharing and streaming and broadcasting kung ano-ano ang ginagawa nyo, ang galing nyo. So, we'd love to celebrate that with you. Okay, let's do fast round. Thea, I'll give you like...
Alam mo, tsaka add ko lang dati, so parang kwento ko lang before namin, nahihirapan kami punuin yung 30 slots pag nagkakaroon ng interactions.
Yes.
Ngayon na nakakabuo na kami ng more than pa ng slots, so nakaka-amaze.
Mag-comment naman lang kung may mga tanong kayo. We have the last 10 minutes.
From X at are you okay? 2G20. Like, girl, grabe yung stage presence niyo. Yung talent, napakagaling niyo lahat. And syempre, yung visual niyo. Love you talaga. Sa mga simpleng comments niyo po na ganito, nakukuha namin yung
Random, just because.
nakukuha po namin yung confidence and basta makadagdag siya sa ano ba to? Sa energy. So, will namin na ituloy ito na may mga tao natutuwa sa kung anong ginagawa namin at nakaka-appreciate sa akin. So, thanks so much!
Thank you so much. Ate Man.
Yes! Meron dito, hindi daw siya makakapunta sa Agusan, hindi siya pinayagan ng parents niya.
Aww.
I-convince mo po yung parents mo, we really wanna see you
We'll go to your
there.
parents. Just,
Magpapaalam kami para sa'yo.
Sa mga bagong salita po ulit dito sa aming TikTok Live, sa aming IG Live, kami nga po pala ay mapupunta ulit sa Agusan del Sur
Oh.
this October 29 hanggang October 30 yan.
September ba?
September.
from
September
Johan,
29, September 30.
what do you think was your best performance ever? I think for me, China.
Ako yung, yung Jinxie love story sa Little Park.
Or Rishvas. I like her Rishvas.
Best?
I perform. Yeah, I like China.
I like Watson's.
I like also Watson's, but
Ayun mo ano.
Pizza! Ano?
Tapos, gusto ko yung Watson.
Di.
I like Watson.
yeah,
Pero gusto ko rin yung Limitless Stage.
yeah, actually,
Limitless Stage.
yeah, that's also
Saan
a
kayo
great
pizza?
song. The energy.
Hi, Leo.
Energy.
We have Ajam!
Say hi.
Hello, pizza ko ako yung
May pizza ka. Ito
You are watching. You really
Ako
like
kinainit na mga Ito yung gusto ko.
Thank you po.
Kain ka mo kayo.
Busog na po kami. Wait. Tsaka siya daw si Kuya JC.
Oh, Daisy! 5, 6, 7, 8!
Punta po kayo ng 28. Opo. We're
Pag
inviting.
free lang po kayo po.
Sa ano yung first anniversary nyo? Diba? Alam ko yan.
Congrats.
Congrats sa inyo. Happy 1 year.
Ate,
Congrats, guys.
Congrats.
Hindi, 1 year dito may musika.
Ay, congrats din po.
Yeah. Baka ingat kayo. Wait, hindi kayo makuha? Pang mamaya yun. As in, sobrang dami na yun. Kumuha na kayo.
Si Claudette.
Para ano?
Si Claudette nagtanong. Sino ang tanong? Ang tanong ko ay sock,
Ay, sorry po.
shoe, song. Ay.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
Hello po sa bullet.
Tungkol sa mga bullet.
Opo.
Kakain lang mga bullet.
Ilohanis. Bye. Punta kayo din sa event nila sa 28th first anniversary concert.
Thank you po, ate.
Bye, ingat kayo.
Bye-bye.
Ingat.
po,
Ingat kayo, Ethan. Ang ating mga babies ay magkakaroon ng concert. Punta kayo dyan.
Tanong ni Claudette is sock shoe or sock shoe?
Socks.
Ako, socks and then shoes. Both.
Socks, shoes.
Yeah, okay.
Shushu. Baliktad.
Ako minsan,
Ate Mai is
sock
here.
shoe.
Where's Ate Mai?
Actually, sock shoe.
Leah was looking for you.
Ako, sock shoe.
Why are we called bullets?
Because hindi gana ang isang G22 which is a gun na walang bullets.
Ito
I
question.
tried riding a bus before. I like buses.
Ito question from FB. Chloe Fabia. What are you willing to risk for G22? This question is for each member po. I've seen your
Walang
ups and
kawala.
downs. Palagi kayo man dyan para sa isa't isa and I'm curious. What are you willing to do or risk for G22? Willing po ako i-risk yung literal na, hindi naman yung buhay na magpapakapatay ako, pero, sorry po. Sorry po. Sorry po. Hindi naman yung buhay na gano'n, pero buhay na yung time, yung youth ko ngayon, andito ako, and I'm doing this not only for me, but also for the girls. Pinubuhos ko yung life ko ngayon, and tinututo sa G22. Nag-iisip. Sorry po pala uli sa kanina.
What I'm willing to risk for the
Yeah, we live and we learn.
anyone, anything I would risk for anyone I love. Like, my time, emotional, if you needed to be out or shoulder, or a fist. Yes. Yeah, I'm willing to protect if you need to be protected. I'm willing to stand up if it's for the right thing. And like, also when things are wrong, like someone who's gonna be honest. And in terms of like things that in my life that I would risk, probably like, of course, it's not, this industry is a risk that we're doing together. So to be like things that I would choose on my own to be. Thank you.
Me, I'm willing to risk negative opinions about me for the girls. Pag may mga times na I have to stand up, kahit alam kong parang magkakaroon ng different opinions or opposite opinions, okay lang yun. As long as alam ko sa sarili ko na tama yun at may pinaglalaban ako na tama din. Yeah.
First impression with each other.
Itong question na naman na to?
Itong question na naman to. Ano ba yun?
What's your favorite song you guys have released? My favorite song we released is
Careful!
Careful!
my favorite song is 2002. Should I? I
Continue
know.
lang, sorry.
I like Boomerang.
I like...
Bubbly.
I like... I actually
For
really
sure,
like
ikaw,
Loka. See? I really like Loka. And performing it. It's nice. Kasi yung meaning niya rin eh. Hindi lang yung porke alak ng lyrics. No. But the meaning also behind. And also siguro kasi it sets na mo yun? Yung... Wala. Na parang tao lang din. May mga nag-iisip, meron din kami naiisip na mga ganon na, which is yung meaning nga ng loka.
Life is not perfect. Nakakaloka siya. Burp!
And babalik.
Ako. Careful! Ano? Siguro pag ipo-perform, gusto ko talaga yung roka. Kasi nakaka-ano siya, nakaka-hype. Or something. Pag-hype yun na. Tapos, gusto ko din i-perform with good sound system. Babalik. With good sound system.
Iba talaga yung sound system.
Yes.
Nung nag-China tayo.
Yeah.
Saan ba tayo?
May Charlie Chan daw ba?
Charlie Chan. Ito.
Thank you po ulit. Looking for the food at the side.
Thank you, Ate Sam,
Thank
if
you
you're watching.
so much, Ate
I appreciate
Sab.
it. And it was such a sweet gesture. It was so bland.
Tag her.
You get the side?
Thank you, Ate Sam.
Thank you, Ate Sab. Our main pop girly.
Ano ba? May chance ba marilis yung coaching?
Pag nagkaroon ng ano, ng
If you could say
1,000, ay hindi. Pag nagkaroon ng 1 million votes, na mag-release kami ng
Okay.
Conchita song.
Since
Sige,
it's our-
i-release namin
it's
siya.
our
Pero wala
closing-
1 million votes, iba't ibang tao. Sorry.
pintura.
Oh guys, keep on voting sa Break Doodle Awards. At syempre maraming salamat po sa mga bumuboto at nagpupuyat at ginagawa lahat para lang makaboto. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Manalo o matalo, having this nomination is such a huge thing for us na. And also having people, having our bullets to vote for us, malaking bagay na yun sa amin. Kaya guys, keep on voting until hindi pa closed.
And
Sa
kung,
break to po yan. I hate boys po yung nominate sa amin.
and kung taga-abusan kayo, will be pinabusan. August.
August, tas October.
September 29.
Kailan kayo tatawag?
Kita tayo doon kung malapit kayo or taga doon po kayo.
Yes po.
Sana makapunta po kayo. And last 2 minutes, I wanna ask you guys, what's something you wanna say to your future self when we hit 1 million streams? Monthly streams.
Alam ko, sobrang pinaghirapan nyo. And nahirapan kayo na makuha and mag-gain yung 1 million streams na yan. Pero always remember na always be thankful sa mga sarili nyo, sa sarili mo, and also always be thankful sa bullets. Kasi sila yung unang-unang naniniwala and nag-listen and gumagawa ng paraan para ma-achieve nyo yung mga achievements nila na. And also, syempre, kayo. So, ayun. Don't be too harsh on yourselves.
Yes.
Yeah,
She's crying.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ano?
Matouch ko ba?
Oo, touch ako eh. Sakit sarap pala sa heart. For my future self.
Yeah, when you hit 1 million.
Deserve! Congrats! And deserve. And for sure, hindi pa rin natatapos yung journey mo. And journey mo with the goals. And for sure, pag, di ba na-hit niyo yung 1 million? Eh di, meron na kayong tour. Wow. Congratulations na. Tour na agad. Anyway, plug ko na rin po pala. Please, guys, stream mo din yung Billboard PH, P-Pop Unite with other artists, other P-Pop acts as well. And madaming discussions doon. Napaka magandang insight na makuha kayo. Or magandang
Naglag yung TikTok.
Ay, naglag na naman.
Yes.
Or ako yun.
If it's my future self, we hit 1 million streams. Grabe kayo. You guys have worked really hard. And you couldn't have done it without the people backing you up, management, bullets, our solo fan bases, our family, our friends. Lord, thank you so much. And I just hope that no matter how far you go in this career with the girls, you just remember why you started, where you started, and just keep giving the same energy but more. Because you have more to prove now than ever. So celebrate big and small wins and find happiness and keep it with you always. So that's the end of our video. Because I was gonna say vlog. Our live stream. So we're gonna sing Musica because we're celebrating the first year anniversary of Musica.
Yay! 1, 2, 3. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara, himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala, hiwaga mong dala. Ikaw aking